Welcome to the March 2024 issue of Onsite Installer. This preview is brought to you by Ashland Pump, whose focus on maintaining high inventory levels means you'll get what you need when you need it. Visit ashlandpump.com. Meet Ryan Fox, founder of Fox Onsite Solutions in California's wastewater sector. Innovating with advanced treatment systems for Silicon Valley's elite, he overcame challenges, mastered AutoCAD, and now mentors the next generation. Discover his unique approach to business and the cutting-edge equipment shaping his success. In the product focus, see how Ashland Pump's efficient effluent pumps are revolutionizing wastewater management. Also discover cutting-edge solutions with advanced dosing devices, nitrogen-reducing plants, drip tubing, intelligent control panels, and explore the versatility of pump systems and submersible technology. Delve into the complexities of Indiana's House Enrolled Act 1402 with a closer look at its impact on septic system oversight. Learn from the experiences of a former city council member who navigated homeowner frustrations and now observes a shift in regulatory control. Explore the meticulous world of pump system installation with Tom Fritz, an expert from residential sewage treatment near Kansas City. Discover the intricacies of watertight tanks, strategic component placement, and innovative wiring solutions, including Fritz's unique use of 12-2 UF wire. Also learn about the art of safeguarding electrical components in corrosive environments. Join Chris Stevens, owner of Stevens Septic Service, Inc., on a charitable mission as he partners with Newton Custom Homes to build a dream house, raffled off for St. Jude Children's Research Hospital. Navigate the rocky soils of Monroe, North Carolina with cutting-edge septic solutions and community support. Read up on this successful case study of Romtech Utilities shaping wastewater solutions for a Washington apartment complex. Dive into their strategic collaboration with a developer employing a pressure data logger and innovative engineering to design a scalable triplex system. Keep up with some interesting developments across the country, including new nitrogen-reducing regulations in Martha's Vineyard, a statewide on-site code in Michigan, and potential mandatory on-site system inspections in Louisiana. Meet Brett Gaudry, a 29-year-old owner of B&S Excavating in Toulon, Manitoba. With a decade of experience as a bridges and structures supervisor, Brett shifted to the wastewater industry during COVID, creating his company. As a director in the Manitoba On-Site Wastewater Management Association, he navigates outdated regulations. Join John Balcom, the visionary owner of Traverse PC. Removing the need for extensive surveying skills, TPC simplifies complex tasks, connecting installers seamlessly to GNSS receivers. Do you have an interesting installation coming up? Let us know. We're always looking for great companies to profile. Email editor@onsiteinstaller.com. Thank you for watching and see you next month.